Welcome back. In this video I'll be solving Leetcode problem 287. Find the duplicate number. Give an array of integer nums containing n plus 1 integers where each integer is range 1 to n inclusive. There is one repeated extra space. Okay. There is one character. Choose two items. Well, we prove it because we know that it's easy. But let me think about this one. This is interesting problem, but I have to use constant extra space. Yeah, I could sort. Well, let's do the one that I know already, and that's sorting. So nums dot sort, and for I in nums in range when nums so I'll go from 1 on if nums of I is equal nums of I minus 1. I need to return what exactly the number that is repeated. So okay, I need to return nums of I. So this is first one. Let's do this, and this is so constant space and n log n time complexity. Can I do it linearly without? I know that's how to prove, but please 2 or more times. There's no hints for this one. What could it be? Oh, you must solve the problem without modifying. Oh, okay. Okay, then my bad. No, sorting is not. Hmm. Oh, okay. I think I know. This is pretty stupid, so the idea here is what? If I go to 1, then I go to here, and I go to here, I go. If I go to 1, then let's say I go here, then I go from 3, 1, 2, 3, I go here. So I start with this one, this sends me to 3. 3 sends me to 2. 2 sends me to 4. 4 sends me to 2. 2 sends me to 4. 4 sends me back to 2. Okay, so there is a cycle. Okay, yeah. Well, the only way I can do it is linearly with actually not even oh yeah, I could do slow and fast because I'll go in the cycle. Okay, yeah, I know. So slow, I need at least one element. So slow. Well, if n is 1, no, n is 2. So, yeah. Slow is equal nums of 0 and fast is equal nums of 0. So is not fast, slow is nums of slow, fast is nums of fast, something like this, and return nums of slow, or I guess, yeah, or almost. No, I need to return slow. Or, aha. Okay, starter is equal nums of 0. While starter is not equal slow. starter is equal nums of starter. Slow is equal nums of slow. I think this is return slow. Isn't that true? So slow is 1 and fast is 4. No. Phew, this will be hard to track. But something like this is solution. But this is pretty hard. This is like crazy hard. I can't remember exactly, and it's hard to write it down, but let's try to do it on this one. So nums of 0, so is 1. Maybe it's just return nums of slow. I think this should possibly work. Nah. Maybe here it's nums of slow. I turn nums of slow. But doesn't seem that they move the same for whatever reason. Or maybe it's fast actually. So fast, starter, fast is equal nums of. Actually, maybe it's this. Almost. Nah. Let's see, maybe more submissions. That was pretty recently. So that's what I did. That's what I did. Well, slow is not equal fast. They are equal. I take a starter that starts. While starter is not equal slow. Slow is nums of slow. I don't get it. Slow. Starter. Slow. Okay, and I should return starter. Maybe I messed up that way. But these never catch up for whatever reason. Okay, I get it. We didn't start in the same position. That was my mistake. Slow is fast is cycle. Okay, I get it. And it's nums of 0. But this is something if you know. Slow, fast, starter, slow. That's what I messed up. And this should not work. And I'll use this, turn this. Am I crazy or what? What the hell? So slow is nums of fast, while cycle if this works, something is crazy here. So if slow is equal fast, then I do this. While cycle is not equal slow, okay, but I don't see what's different, so I'll do this while slow is not, well, this is not equal. If it's equal, then I should do this. To me this is the same. If this doesn't work, then what? How is this not the same? Like, am I crazy? Well, let me print slow and fast. Okay. And what's the difference here? If slow is equal fast, what's the difference here? Can you explain? I don't get this. I really don't get this. Well, this should work, I guess. Actually, I'm not sure what's the difference. I'm not sure. I'll leave it like this. I'll need to take some time to like take a thorough look through it, but I guess let's just wrap this up here. Time complexity of 1 of n. And yeah, this one, if you know, you know. I'm not sure if there is any other way. And as you can see, I solved it like a month and a half ago, but at least I knew kind of the idea for the approach, but yeah, I guess just practice, and that's it. Okay, I'll finish this one here. If you have any questions, leave them in comments. I appreciate you for following this one, and see you in the next video.